In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a booking calendar with Wix Studio. First things first, we need to enable or add Wix bookings to your website. Head over to your site dashboard or site editor and look for the option that allows you to add elements. Here, you'll see the Bookings or Book Online element. If it's not already present on your site, go ahead and install the Bookings feature. This is your first step towards creating an organized and efficient booking system on your site. Now, let's shift our focus to setting up your services or classes. Think about what exactly you're offering. It could be anything from a consultation session to a yoga class. For each of these services, you'll need to specify a few details: the available hours, the location, which staff member, if any, will be handling the service, the duration of each session, the price, and so forth. This step is crucial as it helps your clients know exactly what they are booking, and it sets their expectations right from the start. With your services set up, it's time to configure the booking calendar page itself. Navigate back into the editor and find the booking calendar page. You might find it under a section like Bookings Pages or something similar. Here lies the magic of customization. Access the settings of the calendar element and start tweaking how you want it to look and function. You can decide on the layout, perhaps a daily or weekly view suits your needs better. Choose the type of information to display, whether you want your clients to see the staff's name, the location, or the available slots. And don't forget to play around with the design settings to make sure it visually aligns with your overall site aesthetic. While we're on the topic of design, let's make sure we pay attention to the display and design elements. This includes the slider for time slots, headers, colors, and fonts. It's important because the visual design of your booking calendar should be clear and inviting to encourage more bookings. Also, make sure you adjust the mobile view, as we all know how frequently people use mobile devices. You want to ensure that the booking experience is just as seamless on a phone as it is on a desktop. Following that, you'll need to set the booking flow. Decide if bookings should be automatically confirmed or if you'd prefer to manually approve them. Then, set up forms to gather essential information from your clients, such as their name and email. Establish clear policies regarding cancellations and rescheduling to minimize confusion and protect your business. Lastly, let's fine-tune the availability settings to reflect your true schedule. Define when your staff is available or set hours for specific locations. Don't forget to block out times when you or your team are unavailable to prevent double bookings or client disappointment. And there you have it, a fully functional booking calendar with Wix Studio ready to elevate your business's booking experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you set up a seamless booking system that your clients will love.